Hi everyone, my name is Erica with L&L 3D Solutions, and in this upgrades and tips video, we're going to show you the process of lead screw maintenance. Let's get started. In this example, you can see what a difference a finely tuned printer can make. If you start noticing ghosting or ringing on your prints, which is when our Z-axis drifts forward and back a little bit, it could be a sign that the lead screws are loose and aren't perfectly square with the gantry, causing lead screw wobble. We can check this by doing a few tests. First, install your Euclid probe and home the printer. Listen for a wobble or rattling sound during X, Y, and Z movement. Then on the clipper pad, run a screws tilt. It will probe every corner, and here we were able to see a lot of wobbling on the lead screw. From here, turn your printer around and disable motors, and move the bed out of your way. Check to see if the gantry is square by using a tri-square or speed square. Next, we'll check to see if our lead screw nuts are loose. First, we'll raise the Z-axis. We don't want them too tight, but we also don't want them extremely loose like these are. So we can tighten these so that there's just a little bit of give between them. Next, we'll tighten the stepper motors and mounts. From here, we'll home the printer to see if we still have noise. There was still a little bit of wobble on this printer, but we've reduced the noise. Next, we'll make sure the top and bottom couplers on the lead screws are tight. And then we'll run another screws tilt. After it's fixed, now we'll re-lube our lead screws. First, you'll need some silicone grease. Any will work great, this one is called Super Lube. Isopropyl alcohol, some paper towels, and a nozzle cleaning brush. First, clean the lead screws with the alcohol and paper towel, or you can also use a nozzle cleaning brush. You can do this by pressing the wire brush up against the lead screw and move the Z-axis all the way up and then all the way down, and you'll want to do this for both sides. Wipe down the screws one more time with the paper towel and alcohol. Then take some lube and put a little grease on both lead screws. Then move the Z-axis all the way up to the top so it can evenly distribute the grease. Then home the Z-axis, bringing it all the way back down. Do this process once more, moving the Z-axis all the way up and down. As a tip, we recommend cleaning every 6 months. If you start to see a lot of grime or dust build up, it's worth it to clean and lube your lead screws, especially if you start to see a wobble or hear it grind when you move your Z-axis up and down. From here, we'll do one last screws tilt. And that should do it.